Greg Udelhofen with ForConstructionPros.com. I'm here at World of Asphalt with Brian Downing, who's the Global Sales Consultant for Asphalt Compaction. And we're here to talk about the new CB series of compactors. And really, Brian, tell me the main feature of this oscillatory compactor.
Yeah, the CB13 is our newest lineup, and it features our oscillatory vibe system. And so the conventional vibe in the front drum tied with the oscillatory vibratory motion in the rear provides a great solution to the thin layers and creating compaction. So the mill and filling that's happening on most of the roads today is thinner in nature, and so oscillation provides a nice massaging motion that creates compaction on the thinner layers, and we find that contractors utilize this when they're on sensitive structures such as bridges, maybe some overpasses, or even in urban areas. The oscillatory motion really brings a good solution to creating compaction.
Okay. I notice another really important feature of this particular machine is the fact that it has the pass count temperature mapping. And again, talk a little bit about that and why that's important for the operator and maybe some of the other operator features of the cab.
Yeah, intelligent compaction is pretty big in the industry these days, and mapping of temperature, mapping of pass count really helps operators produce consistent compaction. They keep track of their pass counts. Some of the tougher mixes today require a lot more passes, and for an operator to keep track of these in their mind is, I think, the toughest thing in the world. The compaction process requires so much consistency, and the mapping systems help them keep track of that and become more consistent.
I can imagine that's particularly important at nighttime for nighttime paving operations, because again, you know, the visibility of what's going on, that would be very helpful.
Yeah, right on. Certainly night paving is a big part of today's paving projects, especially in urban areas, and operators performing rolling patterns on a black surface in the dark of night, it becomes really challenging. And so the mapping system allows them to keep track of the number of passes that they're creating, and so that they can be uniform with their compaction. And certainly the mapping does bring great value to them.
Okay, and another feature for the operators, you've really kind of refined the control system and you simplified that. Talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, we're sticking with our cockpit style operator station, and we've redefined the steering controls in such that the steering is more precise, allowing operators to easily follow curbs. In addition to that, we've reduced the number of buttons for them to change the machine's functionality, and that just makes it simpler for them to set the machine up so they can be comfortable sitting in the operator station, set the machine properly, and just finish the job with consistency.
Okay, and when will the CB series be available in the U.S.?
The CB is launching this year, and we'll have a global launch of this model about mid-year 2018.
Okay. All right, very good. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Greg.
Okay.